Hello students, we learn straightly the next concept from the chapter 1 solid structure, and in the middle of this video we revise previous concept. The next part is atomic packing factor in a face centered cubic lattice, simply denote FCC lattice. It is a structure of FCC lattice. You see, on a cube, 8 corners are present, each corner occupied by 8 corner atoms. And if you imagine a cube, there are 6 faces present on a cube, one at top, one at bottom, and 4 is sidewise. And in case of FCC lattice, 6 atoms present on the face, hence called as face centered cubic lattice. Now we go to the next concept. What is the coordination number present in FCC lattice or structure? Now if you remember how we calculate the coordination number, the highest number nearby the atom is called coordination number. Here the 6 atom present on the 6th plane on this corner atom, that is blue atom, so it is x, y and z axis, so total is 6. Now in case of ABC arrangement, if you remember, same you have to adopt here, and this number 7 atom present on the face, it is 8, it is 9, it is 10, it is 11 and it is 12, just like a 6 atom on the plane, 3 from first layer or upper layer and 3 from lower layer. So nearby this atom they are attached to a maximum 12 atoms, therefore the coordination number is 12 in FCC structure. The next, we have to find out or calculate a number of atoms per unit cell. So it is a simple framework of FCC structure or lattice. So 8 corner atom, on each face one atom is present. The real picture is like this. So we have to just know this 8 corner atom along with the face, along with atom present on the face, how they are contribute to the one unit cell we have to calculate. So as we know that one corner atom is shared by 8 unit cell, therefore the part of each unit cell for one atom is 1 by 8 atom at 8 corners. I think all of you remember. Number 2, this face present on two sides, it first front side and their opposite side. So this face atom is shared by two unit cell, therefore the part of atom present in one unit cell is 1 by 2, and how many face atom is present? 6. Therefore it is 1 by 2. Now very simply we have to calculate n is equal to 1 by 8 part of each atom present in a unit cell, therefore into how many corner atoms? 8 corner atom, plus they are 1 by 2 part of atom present in a unit cell, therefore it is 1 by 2 into how many face atom? 6 atom. So 1 by 8, 8 into 8 get cancelled to 1, and 1 by 2 into 6 divided by 1 by 2, so it is 3. So we get n is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 atom per unit cell in face centered cubic cell. And for simply, so the number of atom present in a FCC is n is equal to 4. We consider it is equation 1. Move on. 3. We have to find out the relation between the atomic radius r and the length of edge of cube, that is A, in case of FCC. So it is again same picture, and we have to just take the half portion or in a triangle mode from this picture, just like this, on the face only. You just remember, we have to just draw a triangle on the face of FCC unit cell, and it is just put forward for more understanding. It is look like this, where the central atom is a face, the atom present on the face, and the 3 corner atom is near to the face atom. They are touches to each other. Therefore very simply, the length of edge of cube, that we know that it is denoted as a. For this here we just shown as a green line, it is A, it is also A. So the corner atoms having radius is r. Again for the second corner atom having radius r, and the central is 2r, the total is 4r. So in a triangle, we have to calculate the relation between atomic radius and length of cube from above diagram is 4r square is equal to a square plus a square by using Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because they are all touches to each other. Therefore 4r square is equal to a square plus a square. Hence we get 2a square is equal to 4r square. We have to just more simplification. A square is equal to 4r square divided by 2. So A is equal to, by removing square, hence A is equal to 4r divided by under root 2. We consider this is equation 2. The next part, we have to find out volume occupied by atoms in a unit cell. Volume of atoms per unit cell generally calculate likewise n into V. As we know, volume of atom FCC unit cell is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, that we consider equation number 3. Then we find out volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell generally denote capital V and is nothing but A cube. But we know that A is equal to 4r divided by under root 2. Put this value into this equation. So 4r under root 2 cube. We get 64 r cube solved by this equation divided by 2 under root 2. This equation consider 4. Now the last part, we have to find out the atomic packing factor in FCC, and the formula is atomic packing factor is equal to volume occupied by atoms in unit cell divided by volume of unit cell. So it generally denote as V divided by small v divided by capital V. Put this value in this equation. So small v is nothing but 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube whole divided by capital V is nothing but 64 r cube and divided by 2 under root 2. Solve this equation. So APF is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Denominator of 2 under root 2 is goes to the multiplication, and it is 2 under root 2 divided by whole 64 r cube. R cube get cancel. We get again simple structure. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 by 3 pi into 2 under root 2 divided by 64. So 64 divided by 16. So we get simple is 4, and next equation is like this. APF is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 2 under root 2 divided by 4. Now again we solve this equation. So 4 is divided by 2, it is 2, and we get 3 into 2. This is denominator of division, it is goes to multiplication. 3 into 2 6. So we get equation APF, our atomic packing factor, is equal to under root 2 pi divided by 6. So put the value of under root 2 and pi. So APF is equal to 1.414 into 3.14 divided by 6. We get multiplication value of under root 2 and pi is 4.440 divided by 6. Solve this value, we get atomic packing factor is equal to 0.740 or 74% in terms of percentage. And hence the conclusion part, the atomic packing factor for FCC the atomic packing factor for face center cubic lattice is 0.74 or 74%. The unoccupied space or voids present in face center cubic lattice or cell is equal to 100 minus 74. We get 26.